Hmm.
I am appealing for the petitioner.
Hmm.
Petitioner challenged the order passed by the First Assistant Commissioner
Ah,
in under Senior Citizen Act.
all right.
Let me kindly see, it is a purely an ex parte order
Hmm.
passed by the Assistant Commissioner.
Where is the order?
He has asked to pay 5 lakhs as a
That-
maintenance charges and another 5 lakhs.
Where is the order?
It is at page Annexure A, my lordship.
Page.
Page 27, appropriate pay order is at 26, my lords.
All right. 1 moment.
26. Shall I read, my lordship?
Yes, sir. You don't need to read. 5 lakhs is what is awarded to be collected
Yes.
from the tenants lessees within 15 days.
Para 11, kindly come to para 11, my lordship. Page 4 of my counter objections to the application.
Now you tell me what is wrong with this order. You said you are not heard. I will hear him.
Yes.
Next ground.
Section 9 of the act is very clear.
10,000 rupees. ಮಾತ್ರ
10,000
ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು.
rupees.
All right. Next ground.
Next ground is the properties belong to mother and the suit is pending before the trial court. Trial court has already passed an order to maintain status quo. Now evidence is going on.
Hmm.
There we have produced lot of documents. It's a property belongs to mother and is Hindu undivided family.
Hmm.
She by forcibly got gifted.
How did it come to you now?
They came by gifted was from first wife. Forcibly they have taken.
Forcibly taken.
Forcibly she has died of giving poison. Mother first wife was died. They are given poison. Second wife and also this petition is filed on the instigation of second respondent and children. Kindly see the photographs are produced. The second wife children
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಒಡೆದು ಬಾಕ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಸರಿ.
ಇವತ್ತು ತುಂಬಾ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಯಾರಿಗೆ?
Petitionersಗೆ.
ಓ.
And the suit is also pending. This honorable court, there are a lot of decisions in lacking that when the suit is pending
Oh.
before the trial court, even honorable high court has no power to
ಅಯ್ಯೋ.
when there is a dispute regarding property
Oh.
that cannot disposes me from thee because it's an Hindu undivided family.
ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೂ ಪವರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ದಿ ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್.
ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ.
Grounds there is
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಾನೆ?
it is purely an expert order. I produce the photographs. ಹೇಗ್ ಬಂದು ಅವ್ರು ಹೊಡೆದಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಗೂ ಏನ್ ಸಂಬಂಧ?
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವೈಫ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ದಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ 5 lakh salary. He is also software engineer and the second daughter of second wife is also working.
Okay.
She is getting handsome salary.
ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ.
Yes.
ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ.
And now under the instigation of second wife and children, the respondent number 2 has filed this petition. And the assistant commissioner, without the order sheet barely clears that, without giving any opportunity, ಮರು ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರು, ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. He assumed charge and passed an order that he has not any power to grant 5 lakhs since the act itself section 9 says 10,000. And he has also said 5 lakhs rent we are not receiving. All we have produced before the trial court. All lease agreement stands in the name of the second respondent. All the leaseholders are paying to only second respondent. The children are not taking any single pie from the building. Nearly more than 1,25,000 rent they are getting from the building, my lordship. And also earlier, the sons of the first wife are jointly working with father in the automobile industry. The statement of accounts produced in the trial court, I have also brought statement account. All amount was drawn by the second respondent, nearly more than lakhs together under the which has been earned by the joint family. The petitioners are not at all disturbed the father, only under the instigation of the second wife and children. They have filed the writ petition, this petition before the assistant commissioner. I produced the documents in with synopsis, my lords.
All right. Yes, sir. 88.
Thereafter, my lord, next 4/11 is not 25. 4/11, same date.
Respondent is present, hence the matter is posted for orders. ಆಯ್ತು ಆಮೇಲೆ where is the gift deed? My name and who are you? Who bequeathed the property to you?
Initially, property was purchased by father in the name of first wife and second wife. Thereafter, the first wife had some years. She had written a will in 1996. 1996, she died. Thereafter, 97, the father transferred in the name of 50% of her share was transferred in the name of father. So, 96 itself, father stood in the name of respondent number 2 and 3. And thereafter 97, they have taken loan and they have constructed the building. Now after 30 years, they say it is and thereafter they have after transfer 96 on also after stamping.
Gift deed ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
Gift deed ಮಾಡಿ. Will.
ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
First wife.
ಅದಾಯ್ತು, ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ? entered forcefully ಅಂದ್ರೆ you were in possession of the building.
From the ground floor. 2017 they forcefully entered. They dispossessed us. Thereafter we are staying in rent here. Now we are staying in rent.
Now they are in possession of the property.
Second and third floor. They are in PG one.
All
They are
right.
not allowing it to enter. I have constructed to see that during my evening this I give this week. So they are not allowing.
1 minute. You said give one ನಿಮಿಷ. gift deed ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದು?
ಅಲ್ಲ ವಿಲ್, ಸಾರಿ ಮೈ ಅಪಾಲಜಿ, ವಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಸಮ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್?
ವಿಲ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮದರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಅದು, ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಂದು ಹಾಕಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮದರ್ ಹೆಸರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
On what right are you in that property now?
Because property stands in the mother, in the name of mother.
Which mother?
And
ಈಗ will ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ
first wife.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. will was in the property is in the name of the husband.
No, first property stands in the name of wife, not husband.
will ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
will ಅವರೇ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ಫುಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಅವ್ರ ಗಂಡನ ಹೆಸರಿಗೆ.
ಒಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ
ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ಫುಲಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಯೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದಿ.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಷನ್ ಸೂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಯೂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ.
Wait, how did you drive that person away from the house?
We are not at or since from date they are living in the house, since from whatever they are now just living.
On what document have you occupied the property?
Lordship giant automobiles ಇತ್ತು ಬೋರಾ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ರು. ಇವ್ರ ವೈಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮದುವೆ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ they want to reside in the separate house.
Where is the copy of the will?
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಇರಿ. Where is the copy of the will? ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Where is the schedule here? What is the immovable property? House ಏನದು? Half share of that, is it? So you're in ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ half share ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಈಗ they are the children of the second wife. First wife. First wife is the one who bequeathed the property in the name of the husband. Now, so you're saying your children have driven you out. Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Even the second wife was also teacher, she also had income. So she has also contributed.
Hmm.
20, page number 27 is the loan document.
So according to you, they were heard, they were served, they were heard, first thing. And there is no document of gift or whatever in their favor, but
With muscle power only they have done.
all, yes. Hmm.
Page number 27 is the document.
Hmm.
So that I have even loan to build the building in 1970s.
ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದಿರಲ್ಲ,
Post like
ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದಿರ ಎಲ್ಲ.
yes, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಪೆನ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಪೆನ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
Pen drive, when I based on the entry model of this report, when this on entry model says that I can enter the premises, they should not restrain me.
Oh, they have further restrained.
When I visited the premises, they restrained me. So that video, sir.
Lordship, kindly,
Wait sir, ಅವ್ರು ಮುಗ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು.
Here is senior citizen.
ಯಾಕೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
Arrest to the court.
Senior,
ಅವರಲ್ಲ ಮೈಕ್ ತಗೊಂಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
yes, ma'am. This is the clear case where a senior citizen has been harassed, my lord. The object of Senior Citizenship Act itself is that, my lord, speedy justice to the senior citizen. Now already they have dragged for 7 years, my lord.
ಓ,
Lord,
ಯಾವ 7 years?
in 2017 I had, they have driven me. 2019 I have, not here, my lord, sorry. Ali, 2019 in the, I have been.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
For my lord.
Lordship, the Hindu undivided family.
ಇಂದು
Here also
ಸೀನಿಯರ್
there is-
ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್
One more,
ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ,
one
ಬೇರೆ
more,
ಏನಲ್ಲ.
1 minute, sir.
Wait,
I am staying in the
wait
rented
sir,
accommodation.
ಆಯ್ತು, wait, yes.
Lordship, kindly see, I am producing brought the statement of account, even for construction, the sons have paid the money every date of.
97 they were
since
10
from
years, my lord.
99.
ಅಲ್ಲ, 99 they were
ಒಂದ್
10 years
ನಿಮಿಷ
only.
sir.
Sorry.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ,
ಹಾ.
ಇವತ್ತು ಮತ್ತೆ ತರಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಹಾ,
He
ಸರಿ.
has drawn nearly 40,000, the second respondent, to pay the loan
So,
amount.
he's your father?
Yes, because, see, the second.
He's
wife-
your father?
Yes, we have taken to his house, photos ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ, ಕಾಫಿ ಕುಡಿ ಇವ್ರು ಬಿಡದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಕೋರು. The wife and children's not ಅವ್ರು ಬಿಡದಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಫೋಟೋ ತೋರಿಸಿ ನೋಡಿ
One
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
minute, one minute. So, ಈಗ he's your father?
ಎಸ್,
ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ನೀವು ಒಳಗ್ ನಿಮ್ ಮನೆಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅವರು?
ನಾವು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
ತಿಂಡಿ ಕಾಫಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ
ಕಾಫಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟ?
ಮನೆಗಿರಿ ಅಂತಲೂ ಹೇಳಿದೀವಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಬಿಡದಿಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
ದೇ ಆರ್ ಅವಾಯ್ಡಿಂಗ್.
Yes, ಈಗೇನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ? ಮನೇಲಿ ಇರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. So it is admitted that you have entered the house and he is out of the house, correct? How did you enter the house?
ಎರಡನೇ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಮಗ ಸುತ್ತಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇರೋದು ನೋಡಿ, ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್.
All right.
ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್. ದಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಗ
ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
We have lodged a complaint, but they have not taken action.
ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೀನ್, ಅವನೇ ಬಂದು ಹೊಡೆದಾಕ್ತಿರೋದು, ಅವರೇ ಬಂದು ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ ನೋಡಿ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ.
ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್?
ಪೊಲೀಸರು ಬಂದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಮಾಡೋದು ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಕೇಮ್, ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದಿ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್. ಅವರು
one more-
ನಾವೇ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ. ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ AC ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5/1/21 ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. He has been transferred.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, that I will answer. Don't.
It is purely and exported and one
No
decision,
problems. No.
one decision ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
I thought you were on a gift deed. Gift ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Yes.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಕೊಡಿ, ಎರಡು ಕೊಡಿ, ಅದೇ ಒಂದೇ.
Power of tribunal to direct handing over possession of a property. The power and jurisdiction of the tribunal is restricted to grant.
Why are you relying on this? According to you, you are not in possession of the property.
We are in possession.
How did you get into the property?
We are living there.
How-
We are having ration card. We are having phone.
It stands in the name of the father. How are you saying that, staying
This
there?
joint family property, how can you thrown out? We are doing business jointly.
That is why you can throw out the father.
We are not at all thrown out, Swami. 2005 ಅವರು ನೋಡಿ, how many plenty of properties are produced, sale deeds. He is having also another, I produce along with my petition, crores of property in stands in the
Alright.
name of the father.
Can entry order not heard ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರದ?
It was heard and posted.
Even in the
One minute,
civil court granted interim order status got not to dispose me from
Not
the
to
property.
precipitate ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Not to precipitate ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Undertaking on the basis of undertaking.
You gave an undertaking.
How
sir.
they are.
Trial court ಅಲ್ಲಿ disposes ಮಾಡಬಾರದು ಅಂತ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, until disposal of the partition suit.
All
I
right,
produced so many
no problem.
crores of property ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವರ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ.
Crores of property.
ಹೌದು, I produced sale deeds and also property.
Crores worth property, sir. Crores
Crores
of
worth-
property. ಅಂದ್ರೆ-
Crores worth properties, and also the wives of second children are also liable to caretake of the father. They are also getting more than 5 lakhs, but the son of the second wife. And here they intentionally, with the instigation of wife and daughter and son of the second wife, they are all doing these things, my lordship. You are therefore, the trial court has passed an order not to dispose me until disposal of the partition. Partition suit is pending.
ಆಯ್ತು. Yes. Heard reserved.
Much. Produce some judgments, my lord.
ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ?
Along with the synopsis.
ಹಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. Yes.
Much of.
Yes, next.